Hi, I'm going to be singing Two Birds by Regina Spektor. It's the first song. Okay. Two birds on a wire. One tries to fly away, and the other watches and close on that wire. He says he wants to as well, but he is a liar. I'll believe it all. There's nothing I won't understand. To leave it all, I won't let go of your hand. Two birds on a wire. One says come on, and the other says I'm tired. The sky's overcast, and I'm sorry. One more or one less, nobody's worried. I'll believe it all. I won't let go of your hand. I'll believe it all. I won't let go of your hand. Oh, 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 two birds of a feather say that they're always gonna stay together, but one's never going to let go of that wire. He says that he will, but he's just a liar. Two birds on a wire. One tries to fly away, and the other watches him close on that wire. He says that he wants to, but he is a liar. Da-da-dum, 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 da-da-dum. Two birds on a wire. One tries to fly away, and the other. Thanks for watching. Comment and tell me if you like it. Okay, bye!